Assalamu alaikum to all my dears. In view of above quotations, Metropolitan Foundation School has been determined to prepare good and responsible citizens to build an exemplary society to providing centralized education enabling the students to achieve success in every walk of life and to achieve higher positions. We plan to maintain a standard leader as well. The Metropolitan Group of Schools proudly announces the opening of new campus at Gulistane Jauhar under the name of Metropolitan Foundation School to cater the standardized educational needs of the students in the vicinity. Our vision. We owe a practical attitude, a diversified critical thinking and problem solving approach with ultimate goal of character building and one self realization for our young generation. Salient features: well lit, beautiful classrooms, library plus science lab, merit based scholarship, Karze Hasna, computer lab, equipped art room, filtered water and clean lavatories, CCTV surveillance. Our strength: developing successful students, professionally qualified, experienced, and dedicated teachers, a happy, safe, and supportive learning environment. Our values: curriculum activities, child centered learning, trained faculty, taekwondo classes, student counseling sessions, regular medical checkups, interactive teachers, remedial classes for slow learners. Kindly visit our campus, which will be really fruitful to you, inshallah. Jazakallah khair.